Hi! Today we're going to be looking at how to set up and navigate the Life360 app. This can be done on both Apple and Android phones, but in this demonstration we will be using an iPhone. So we're going to start by going to the App Store and typing Life360 in the search bar. It should be the first one to pop up, and if you scroll through it, it'll look like this. Now we're going to go ahead and tap Get to download the app, and now we're going to open it up to start the setup process. The first thing it's going to ask for is your phone number. This allows you to be identified as yourself. Next, it prompts you to make a password. Make sure it's at least 6 characters and something that you can remember. But in case you do forget it, now you're entering your email, which will allow you to retrieve your password in the future. Here, you'll enter your name so your friends and family know it's you. Adding a picture can make that easier, but you can skip that step if you'd like. This next part is what's going to allow the app to track your location. So, you have to select Always Allow in order for the app to work properly. This page is where you can join or start a circle. Now, a circle is a group of people that have access to see one another. You can have multiple circles, one with immediate family, one with extended family, or even one with friends or coworkers. As a parent, you should select Add New Member. This will generate a code that you can share with your family so that they can add themselves to your circle. You can either tell them in person or select one of various ways to send the code and message, either through text, email, or even Facebook. This is what it'll look like once you have added people to your circle. Another feature is that you can message people with the Life360 app. Allow notifications to be notified when you receive a message. You can message whole circles or just individuals. One thing you're going to want to do is customize your map. In doing so, you can name places like home, school, and work and make it much easier to see where your family is. To do this, you'll go to Add a New Place, and then you can either select the name of a place nearby or actually search for it on the map. After selecting a location, you can name it accordingly. This next part is an example of how you can check on a family member. Here, we've selected a family member and can see their most recent drive on a map. We can see how far they went, in this case 13 miles, and that they went from home to school and how long it took. You can also see statistics for things like phone usage, high speeds, hard braking, and rapid acceleration, making it easy to check up on your child's driving habits. Another feature is being able to get notifications when an individual leaves from or arrives at a destination. You can choose the individual and turn this off and on simply by sliding the switch. Lastly, this is just a view of all of the settings you can modify from the settings page within your app. Thank you so much for watching, and for any other questions or for more information, please visit Life360's website at life360.com.